You guys are tuned in to the Workday Slay. And today we're going to talk about you becoming a Sports Illustrated model. Are you ready to begin? Let's go. Okay, everyone. So since we're at the beach, we might as well talk about becoming a Sports Illustrated model. So we're going to start with the history of Sports Illustrated. Back in 1954, a guy named Henry Luce, who was the creator of Time magazine, wanted to start a sports magazine that talked about elite sports and spectatorship. Okay, so the spectators who talk during the sports games and everything. So that's what Sports Illustrated first started off as. So back in after 1954, 1960, a guy named Andre Lepore took over the magazine and changed the game. Okay, now Sports Illustrated usually has their own certain type of model, like the models that we love and know today, such as Tyra Banks, Giselle. I mean, there are so many models that I can name that Sports Illustrated gave a platform to. More recently, they have discovered a way to break the bounds in modeling. But since we're talking about the past models, let's talk about the criteria that they had at first. Sports Illustrated usually picks models that come from New York major agencies because, of course, Sports Illustrated is based in New York. They usually pick models that are swimsuit category, and most models are already well known. But Sports Illustrated gives them a platform on their Sports Illustrated magazine. Lately, they have been trying to break the bounds, such as the July issue. The July issue featured a 5'3", 56-year-old model. And before that, the first magazine of 2015 featured Robin Laurie, a plus-size 12, 6'2" model. So there's a possibility now that you could possibly be picked for Sports Illustrated. But, one, you have to be known by a major agency. Major agencies play a big part in the selection process. As you know, most major agencies don't have a swimsuit category for their agency. They usually have runway, commercial, beauty, and editorial, not necessarily a swimsuit category. So if you are trying to be a Sports Illustrated model, make sure your major agency knows exactly what you're trying to go for. Now, since they are breaking the bounds, it's kind of unusual for them not to pick the criteria for the model that they want. But like I said, every 3 months they do have an issue where they have a plus size model featured. They might have a like this last time they had a shorter, older model featured, and you might be the next featured model. So never give up. We as models sometimes literally try to starve ourselves to fit the criteria of what a swimsuit model should be. But in actuality, now that the industry has evolved, you never know what they're looking for. I, for one, have tattoos. So I haven't seen a tattoo model on the cover of Sports Illustrated or in the magazine, but there may be something fit for me. So like I always say, do something that you never thought that you would do and be a Sports Illustrated model. You guys are tuned into the Workday Slay. Have a great day. Bye-bye.